Welcome back, family. The Lord is saying that He is restoring your smile. You've lost it along the way, but God is saying today that He is restoring that. On your own time, I want you to read Psalms 34:5. And it talks about how those who look to the Lord for help radiate with joy, and that there will be no shadow of darkness on their face. So I want you to really receive what the Lord is saying to you today. And if you've been through a difficult season, or you're in a difficult season, and you've even said like, man, I've lost my smile, or even other people have taken notice and they're like, what's going on? You used to be so happy. Where's that smile that we love? Well, God is speaking to you today, and He's saying that He is restoring that back in your life. Now, remember, sometimes restoration includes things that we need to do. So if the Lord is speaking to you in this word, meditate on that verse. Let that feed your spirit. Remind yourself of what God is doing and of what He's promised you. So I love you. I pray that this word blesses you. I really do. I pray that it encourages you along your journey, and may you just continue to move forward, even through the difficult seasons, with the Lord, hand in hand, because He loves you and He still cares about you. All right, family, have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.